That's it. Stay completely still. Well now, who's this cheeky little fella then?
Huh? Sammy, you moved. Sorry, but that means you're out. But I heard noise. Don't worry, Sammy. You can be in charge of the music. Yay!
Nobody move! Oh, looks like our little friend is back for a second helping.
What was that? Sophie, you moved. You're out. But I thought I heard... Never mind.
You're all doing so well. Oh, now he's taking the biscuit.
Okay, I definitely heard something that time. Me too. Me three. How strange. There's only one cookie left.